VIVE XR Elite has amazing visual pass-through quality, offering an immersive mixed reality experience. And it's easy to share that with friends and play MR experiences at the same time. Here we'll explain one way developers can support this feature, so that gamers can dive into multiplayer MR. First, developers need to place an anchor in the environment. An anchor is a spatial type of virtual object that can be linked with other virtual elements. By linking them together, we can generate them in the scene, appearing in specific locations based on their relative relationship. And then we can establish coordinate alignment between different headsets by linking the coordinates with the anchor. ArUco markers serve as physical objects that are detectable by the tracking engine in VIVE XR Elite. With the API, the tracking engine scans and returns the detected ArUco markers, which you can generate online. Here you can see it in action. We created an ArUco marker and designated it as our target in the space. Subsequently, we calculated the transformation relationship between the marker and the headset. The next step involves sharing and applying this information to other headsets, achieving coordinate alignment in mixed reality. Virtual objects and coordinates depend on the anchor's pose, while the anchor itself relies on the marker's pose to facilitate these interactions. Developers can find more details and documents in the Web SDK Developer Guide. If you're interested in the marker anchor, please click the link in the description below.